After weeks of testimony and dozens of witnesses, the state rested its case in the Lori Vallow Daybell trial.
Yeah, but in a surprising move here, the defense immediately rested its case, not calling a single witness. This special Stan Rascone joined us live right now. And Dan, why no witnesses from the defense?
Well, the defense is saying that prosecutors did not prove their case, so they say there was no reason for them to call any witnesses. But not calling any witnesses and maybe even also having not Lori testify could be troublesome for jurors.
I think the prosecution did a very good job.
4 weeks of testimony and over 60 witnesses, all coming to an end here at the Ada County Courthouse in Boise, where Lori Vallow Daybell is on trial for the murder of her own children, JJ and Tylee. She's also accused of conspiring to kill her husband's wife, Tammy Daybell. Prosecutors resting their case this afternoon. Minutes later, the defense rests, and Lori says she will not testify.
Your Honor, we don't believe the state has proved its case, so the defense will rest.
Is it your decision to continue to maintain that right and not testify in this matter?
Yes, Your Honor.
Utah defense attorney and KSL legal analyst Greg Skordas says the defense's decision to rest without one witness could impact jurors.
I think the jury was waiting for the defense. I think they wanted to hear what the defense was. They wanted to hear maybe even Lori speak and say, I didn't do this or I'm not involved in this. And that's a real problem.
The challenge for prosecutors, did they actually prove Lori committed the murders of her children? Skordas says prosecutors did have a couple of surprises.
I think one of the most compelling pieces of evidence was that Lori's hair was found on the tape that was associated with little JJ's being tied up.
The other strong pieces of evidence
were these text messages between Lori and Chad, where they clearly are describing something quite graphic, which were two people planning homicides.
Jury instructions are expected to take place tomorrow, then closing arguments on Thursday morning, which means the jury could get the case by Thursday afternoon, which means we also could possibly have a verdict by Friday. A team of reporters will be heading down there to Boise from KSL. I'll also be included in that, and we'll bring you all the latest developments as they unfold.